Listen! Hello and welcome back. Today we are here with Tiago.
Hello everyone.
And we're going to be playing some Bachata Games. Okay, so the game is finish a sentence.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to say a part of a sentence and then you've got to finish it off, but as if you're saying the sentence. Okay?
Gotcha.
You are not just a dance teacher, you are a
Mind shaper.
mind shaper. I like it. Okay. The most important thing for a leader to remember is
Do not be rough.
something you need to stop doing is
Skip nights without sleeping.
yeah.
Not drink water.
How much sleep did you get last night?
So I went to bed at 6. I woke up at 7:15.
Mm-hmm. And how much water did you drink yesterday?
I haven't drank water in probably 20 years.
I know we're playing some games, but let's talk about this. You haven't drank water.
Or more.
Explain.
Okay. No veggies, no fruit, no water. Well, I do tea. I mix water with squash. I don't drink water on itself.
Okay.
And
The taste?
I live, the lack of taste or the taste. It's been many years. Like if I'm on a dance venue and I'm like super thirsty and I went for either my bottle, like there's free water. I may go and guys, keep an eye on me when I do this because it is hilarious. I go, I give a sip, I swallow a little bit, and my reaction is always the same.
I have no comments.
There are festivals where certain artists already know about this, and they follow me the entire weekend with bottles of water. Yes, Ivan, I'm talking about you. So yeah, it is. I'm not the only person. I know a couple more people that don't drink water. So we all came from the same planet.
I've got nothing to say to that. I have nothing to say to that. Okay.
To my students, do what I say, not what I do. Drink water. Don't dance when injured. Take care of yourself. Your body is your tool for dancing.
Yes. Okay. The best kind of dance is
A dance that you feel.
followers should always
Listen.
listen. What do you mean?
Don't go on yourself ignoring the leads.
Okay.
Don't
okay.
what's the word in English? God. See, the lack of sleep is catching up with me. Don't predict and don't assume these moves. So listen.
Yeah.
What the conversation between the leader and the follower is instead of just have a monologue of yourself.
Mm-hmm. So like being responsive to what the leader's trying to say, and
still be creative. You're not a puppet, but you need to connect and actually be there.
Bachata is.
Sorry Nadine, sorry Iman. The worst thing that happened. It's a personal. I respect. I don't like it. I'm sorry. We may have to cut this. Let's do it again. Let's be a bit more diplomatic on this. Like,
Bachata is.
not for me. No.
Okay. You'd love it if.
Let's repeat it. Let me think about it a bit more.
You'd love it if.
Let's say it.
You'd love it
If I would have started dancing much earlier.
The best thing about the Kent bachata scene is.
They are very eager to learn.
And you wish you were more.
Rich.
You and me both! And we'll end that one there. Bye.
But then.